Captain, please notice that the captain does have the seatbelt sign illuminated due to some hot air in the area. We do request that passengers remain seated with their seatbelts fastened at this time. Thank you.
Decide where to stay. It was hard to pick. We've never been before, so we're pretty excited.
Ma'am, the seatbelt sign is on. You need to sit down.
I'm just stretching. Who do you think you are, the Sky Police?
You are not going to talk to me like that.
Excuse me? Have you ever been to Honolulu before?
Ladies and gentlemen, we have been advised by our captain that we should expect a little bumpy air. The captain does have the seatbelt sign turned on at this time. We do ask that all customers please return to their seats and ensure the security of their seatbelts. Thank you.
I know. Yeah, it really kind of is. It's taking me a long time to get here, but
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
The seatbelt sign is still on. Would you mind taking your seat?
well, I'm trying to stretch. There's several people walking around and using the restroom, and
I know. I understand that. And I know it's a really long flight and you want to stretch your legs, but the safest place for you and the other passengers to be when the seatbelt sign is illuminated is in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened.
well, I'm gonna need to use the restroom here pretty soon. Do you know how long it's going to be illuminated?
Okay, yeah. You know what? I don't mind checking for you. I can talk to the captain and see how long it will be until he can extinguish that seatbelt sign.
Okay, yeah, if you can do that, I'd appreciate it.
Sure,
Let
no
me know.
problem. Thank you so much. I appreciate your cooperation.